Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download BitLife Simulator application. So let's get started right away. So the first thing to do is to open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box and type in BitLife and search. Once you come across this application, make sure to tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. BitLife Life Simulator is a text-based life simulation game where you play through the life of randomly generated person. You make choices that affect your character's health, happiness, relationship, and career. The game is full of surprises and dark humor, and it's sure to keep you entertained for hours on end. Wait until the application is downloaded, and once it is completed, you will then be able to play the game on your device that you've downloaded with. So that is how you can easily download BitLife Life Simulator application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.